Fresh chestnuts have an incomparable taste compared to canned ones, but they are often very difficult to peel, and it is a discouraging work. I'll show you a trick to easily peel them. Just briefly put them in the hot oil. Their two skins will open and become easy to remove. A chestnut has a flat side and a curved side. It is the one that must be cut. To prevent any wound, hold the chestnut with your hand like this. With a small knife, cut the two skins all over the curved side without cutting the flesh too much. Carefully check that the outer skin has been well cut. Otherwise, the chestnut may explode during frying. Put a small amount of chestnuts in a 180 degrees Celsius oil. Leave them about 50 seconds. When you see that the skins are open, remove them and let them cool for 5 minutes. Peel them. It is a real pleasure to be able to remove the skin as easily. Rinse them with warm water to remove the oil. At this stage, they are still raw and you can freeze them. You can also freeze them after cooked. For the cooking, I advise you to steam the chestnuts. They will keep all their flavors. Cook for 30 minutes after boiling. They are ready to be used in a poultry stuffing for festive dishes. Bon appétit! Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.